welcome to goforglee, and to all my subscribers, welcome back. I'm so happy that you have so generously subscribed to the channel. It means the world to me. I love plants, and today's video is a DIY plant hanging ideas. The first one is very easy and simple. In fact, both of them are. This is a tray that most of us have. This I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box. And we need some thread. Even a jute thread will do, but something which is strong enough to hold the weight. All I'm doing is threading through these grooves of this tray. We do the same to the other side too. This thread is 64 inches long. I have purposely taken it a bit longer so that we have enough to put a knot towards the end of it. So I'm doing the same thing at the other side. And it will look something like this, and then all we do is put a knot at the other end. Just make it a nice and tight and secure one, and we are done. That was really quick, wasn't it? And here is how it looks in my room. I think it adds great aesthetic look and a nice boho appeal to my room. Hope you like it too. If you tried, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen right now. And of course, none of my videos will be complete without a painting too. So this is one which I had done with a palette knife. And we go into DIY number 2, which is also very easy. I'm using a wooden coaster for this. I don't know whether I'll find the link to this because I purchased it from At Home, and again some 2 willing hands and some thread or rope for that matter. So this too works as a great idea because this is made of wood, so it can carry the weight of the pot of plant that you put on it. And I have used this idea for a long time now, and it can carry all types of plants. So on the opposite sides of the groove, so that we get an even distribution of the weight. It's one of the most simple DIYs, but I tell you, it's really effective and looks so pretty when you put that plant on it. And then tie it with a knot at the other end. And what's life without some multiple choices? So here with some cute succulents, these are artificial ones. And this is a lily. Peace lily actually. Look at the gloss on it. I just love the color. Comment below which is your favorite indoor plant. And the reveal. This is how I have styled it in my room with a snake plant, which just adds so much of appeal, and of course a painting too. Hope you like these DIYs. Let me know what you think of it. Until next time, bye.